Hello everyone, welcome to our information session on degrees at SAIT. Today you are here to learn about how a SAIT degree helps you get hired. We have applied and bachelor degrees in business, construction, energy, and hospitality.
Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's start by introducing you to SAIT. SAIT was established in 1916, making us one of Canada's oldest technical institutes. We teach our programs in a way that might be different than what you're used to. You'll learn from industry instructors, 90% of which have worked in the field they teach now, so they can better prepare you for the challenges you'll face in the real world. Here at SAIT, you train in living labs and classrooms that you'll hear about throughout the presentation, including a 4-story power plant and a fine dining restaurant. These labs and spaces look just like the ones you'll work in after you graduate. We also provide really small class sizes with an average of 25 students per class. This means you get to know your instructors and get the extra help you need.
We're different than some of the other colleges or universities in Canada. That's because we're not a college or a university. SAIT is a polytechnic, meaning we focus on hands-on learning and real-world training. This summer, polytechnics across Canada commissioned a research study with parents and HR influencers, including managers, trainers, supervisors, business owners, HR reps, and those involved in hiring within their organizations. 3/4 of employers believed a polytechnic education is valuable to their organization. 3 in 5 employers say they are likely to seek out graduates with a polytechnic education for roles within their organization now and in the future.
Let's start diving into degrees SAIT offers.
There's only one way towards the better way. The better way for the world to use technology. The better way for our economy to benefit more people more often. The better way to use our energy. The better way to shape the world for the next generation. The better way to get your degree and go right into a career. The better way to take advantage of the new economy. The world's changing and so is the way we learn. Introducing a better way to get your degree.
We're going to start in SAIT's School of Hospitality and Tourism with a Bachelor of Hospitality and Tourism Management degree.
In 2022, for the 7th consecutive year, SAIT was recognized as Canada's top hospitality and hotel management school by CEO World Magazine. QS World University Rankings has also recognized SAIT as the #1 hospitality and leisure management school in Canada for 2021 and is in the top 50 in the world since 2019. We're a leader in hospitality education. The Bachelor of Hospitality and Tourism Management is what is known as a 2+2 degree. This means that it is a post-diploma degree designed to be completed in 2 years. If you have taken a Hospitality and Tourism Management diploma program at SAIT or another institution, you can accelerate your career because a degree in hospitality and tourism means you can move towards managerial, executive, or entrepreneurial opportunities in a flourishing and diverse sector.
We provide a personalized approach to learning with small class sizes and professional mentorship along the way. You'll expand your breadth of knowledge across disciplines as you study key areas including leadership and project management, intercultural communications, global tourism, sales and marketing, sustainability in hospitality and tourism, and much more.
At SAIT, we pride ourselves on our close connections to the industry as we deliver relevant, skill-focused education. In our degree program, you will have a capstone course where you will have the opportunity to work collaboratively with industry partners as you strategically solve a real-world challenge with a comprehensive business plan.
When you graduate from the degree, you can pursue job opportunities in hotel and resort management, restaurant management, events and attraction management, tourism management, and hospitality entrepreneurship. We're going to transition now to the School of Business. Let's explore our Bachelor of Business Administration. In March 2022, SAIT School of Business was named on CEO World's Best Business Schools in the World. We rank number 2 in Canada and number 51 in the world. So if you're looking for a degree that means business, why not attend a high-ranking school?
Our Bachelor of Business Administration program is an industry-recognized 4-year degree. You will stand out in the job market with a wealth of business knowledge and hands-on skill. In our program, you get a more in-depth level of relevant business coursework than graduates from other business degrees. Our business degree ensures that you develop the business acumen, technical knowledge, and soft skills employers are looking for, like leadership, teamwork, critical thinking, decision-making, problem-solving, and communications.
In this program, you'll start with a common first year where you will build core business skills. In year 2, you choose from 6 majors, including accounting, management, financial services, human resource management, marketing, and supply chain management. You can also select a minor in construction project management or energy, oil, and gas.
The career potential for graduates in this program varies by major, but some of the careers our grads have are accountant, auditor, forensic accountant, asset manager, premium banker, change management specialist, labor relations advisor, talent acquisition specialist, management consultant, operations management, merchandising analyst, digital marketing specialist, contract specialist, category manager, logistics and materials planner, just to name a few.
The Bachelor of Business Administration also works with local businesses so that our students have a chance to work with industry. A really tasty example is that students in our marketing major will work with a local brewery on a launch of a local craft beer created specifically for our students to advertise and promote. Supply chain management students join the project to create and outline the supply chain for those craft beers.
Maybe you're looking at crafting a career in construction. Our Bachelor of Science Construction Project Management is the first bachelor's degree program in Canada to be accredited by the Project Management Institute Global Accreditation Center. This is a 4-year degree program that demonstrates the highest standards in educational excellence.
In this program, you will be prepared for leadership roles in the booming global construction, engineering, and energy, oil, and gas industries. You'll focus on how the principles of scientific management are applied to construction projects.
We teach you how to manage construction projects at all levels. You'll learn the intricate details and evaluate time, scope, and cost to ensure projects are delivered on time. You'll grow to understand how to work with engineering and trades team efficiently and accurately.
When you graduate, you will pursue career opportunities like assistant construction manager, assistant project manager, site supervisor, construction inspector, project coordinator, assistant facilities manager, estimator, project document controller, and many more.
But if you want to merge construction with a passion about technology, you may be interested in our Bachelor of Applied Geographic Information Systems, GIS for short. It's a great addition to a 2-year diploma and will help accelerate your construction career.
This applied degree combines the power of relational database management systems with the flexibility of cartographic display technology and is used for problem solving and decision making. The program includes 2 15-week semesters followed by a paid practicum in year 2.
When you graduate, you will be part of one of the fastest growing sectors of information technology and construction. You will be able to pursue job opportunities as GIS technologist, GIS technician, GIS analyst, GIS specialist, or GIS team leader or manager.
The last degree we will talk about in this video is our Bachelor of Applied Technology, Petroleum Engineering.
This applied degree is a part of our MacPhail School of Energy, the first school of energy in Canada. We understand that energy diversification is central to a sustainable future. We're dedicated to preparing students for work across the energy sector as it continues to evolve.
Our Bachelor of Applied Technology Petroleum Engineering is where you will learn all aspects of the petroleum industry, including exploration and economic analysis. You'll be prepared for a career in areas like gas process engineering and facility design. You're going to have detailed training in specialized fields that lead to career success.
This applied degree is designed for students who have already completed a technical degree or diploma.
When you graduate, you can pursue opportunities in oil and gas exploration, drilling, reservoir and production engineering, oil and gas facility design and operation, as well as upgrading and refinery operations. It offers a varied amount of options for your career.
We're here to help you along your journey to SAIT. Here are some different ways to connect with us. Tune into an information session to get specific program details and have your questions answered. Tour our campus from your kitchen, living room, or on the bus with our virtual tour. Check out our viewbook, search viewbook and SAIT.ca. Email connect.me@SAIT.ca to talk to our recruiter today.
Thank you for watching our session of the different degrees we have. We hope to see you here at SAIT soon.